Hi friends, welcome to MedCoach channel. In this video I am going to tell you about the easy way to pass MCI exam. Nowadays students are interested in medical profession, but in India medical seats are less. So, students seeks universities in abroad. And they have to pass an exam conducted by Medical Council of India to practice as a doctor in India. For their sake I'll tell the easy way to pass MCI exam. MCI exam conducted online, computer-based. The test contain a total of 300 multiple-choice questions in the English language, divided into two parts, Part A and Part B, taken in a single day. Morning and afternoon session of 150 questions each. The candidates were required to appear mandatory in both the papers. Duration of exam, 2 hours and 30 minutes. In marking scheme, there will be no negative marking. Qualifying marks, 150 marks out of 300 in each. MCI exam syllabus is divided into two major parts. 1. Pre and para clinical subjects. 2. Clinical subjects. First, pre and para clinical subjects and distribution of marks. Anatomy, 17. Physiology, 17. Biochemistry, 17. Pathology, 13. Microbiology, 13. Pharmacology, 13. Forensic medicine, 10. Total marks, 100. Now about clinical subjects and distribution of marks. 1. Medicine and allied subjects. Internal medicine, 33. Psychiatry, 5. Dermatology and STD, 5. Radiotherapy, 5. 2. General surgery and allied subjects. General surgery, 32. Anesthesiology, 5. Orthopedics, 5. Radiodiagnosis, 5. Pediatrics, 15. Ophthalmology, 15. Otorhinolaryngology or ENT, 15. Obstetrics and gynecology, 30. Community medicine, 30. Total marks, 200. This is the syllabus of MCI exam. Now you should choose the major 4 subjects in this. Those are internal medicine, community medicine, obstetrics and gynecology, and general surgery. These 4 subjects contains a total of 125 marks. If you prepare those subjects fully, you can easily get more than 110 marks. And when you'll study internal medicine, you can cover some important major parts of the physiology, pathology, biochemistry and also pharmacology. And when you will study surgery, you can cover anatomy also. Now totally you can cover up to 202 marks. So you can get easily more than 175 marks. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon too.